Siliguri city has always been the base for tourism in Sikkim, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh, as well as the gateway to the northeast for the Seven Sister States. The biggest railway station in New Jalpaiguri brought in thousands of tourists by train from destinations all over the country. The services attached to train services like porters, shops, taxis, etc. did well too, with the station bustling with activity 24/7. However, since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, when a national lockdown was imposed, things took a drastic turn, and this carried on for a few months, and there was trace of normalcy for some time before the second wave of the virus hit the country hard, bringing services at the station to an all-time low. The porters, who are daily wage earners and are totally dependent on passengers, are facing the worst time ever. As most of them are migrants from Bihar, they are now extremely distressed with the current state of affairs.
अभी गाड़ी तो दूठो बंद हुआ है, कामरू का एगो चिस्ता तुरस्ता बंद है, और सब भी हो सकता है। पैसेंजर तो चलता नहीं, हम लोग भी बैठे हुए रहते हैं यहाँ पर, दूसरा तो उपाय नहीं है। अभी पैसेंजर नहीं चल रहा है तो एक आठो आ रहा है, लोकल पैसेंजर एक आठो चल रहा है, वही लोग है। उसी से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि जिसकी खराबी चल रहा है, कोई ठीक ठाक तो नहीं है। पैसेंजर से तो हम लोग को देखभाल होता है ना, दूसरा तो कोई उपाय नहीं है।
ট্রেন মেন ক্যান্সেল আছে, লোক যাওয়া আসা করতেছে না কোভিডের জন্য প্রবলেম বেশি গেছে। আসলে তো সব পাশে লকডাউন হয়ে গেছে, আসতে চাচ্ছে না কাছে।
RSP leader and previous deputy mayor of the SMC Ram Bhojan Mahato and CPIM leader and councillor Kamal Agarwal joined the Trinamool Congress at the TMC party office. The TMC party flag was handed over to them by TMC leader and chairman SMC Gautam Dev at the TMC party office today. After the left fared very bad in the Lok Sabha election in 2021, not managing to get a single seat, it is rumoured that many on the CPIM wish to leave as they see no future ahead staying with the party. One villager was injured after the BSF allegedly fired to bring the situation under control after there was an altercation between the BSF Jawans and villagers in the border village Gobindapur in the North Dinajpur district. The incident occurred when a BSF patrol intercepted a villager taking some packets near the border. This led to an altercation with other villagers who started protesting, and the BSF allegedly opened fire. The injured was taken to the hospital to be treated. The Kulik Bird Sanctuary in North Dinajpur district was shut down by the Wildlife Division after the spurt in fresh cases of COVID-19 in the state of Bengal. The sanctuary attracts a large number of tourists as well as bird lovers from across the country every year. A large variety of migratory birds come to the sanctuary every year, traveling thousands of kilometers. NGOs working on environment are happy after the sanctuary was shut down, saying it was the right thing to do.
ये 3 तारीख থেকে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে ये অর্ডার এসে গেল আমার চিফ ওয়াইল্ডলাইফ থেকে। হ্যাঁ, তারপরে ও হিসাবে ডিভিশন অফিস থেকে ডিএফও একটা অর্ডার বের করলো কি 3 তারিখ থেকে, আর আপনি তো জানি কত স্প্রেড হচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ, তো ভিজিটার্সদের জন্য এই স্যাংচুরি 3 তারিখ থেকে বন্ধ করে আছে।
Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.